In mid-December 2024, our Singaporean customers came to I.C.T for pre-acceptance before our shipment. Our engineer team was on standby throughout the process. We optimized and debugged the equipment according to the customer's request and provided full operation training. I.C.T engineers have gained rich experience in machine installation and training worldwide, ensuring that customers can get the highest quality and most efficient solutions. Meanwhile, all I.C.T equipment strictly meets European standards. At I.C.T, we not only deliver equipment perfectly, more importantly, we offer whole factory turnkey solutions, helping customers build their whole factories from 0 to 1. We enable them to smoothly achieve the process from precise prototyping to mass production. From the pre-sales inquiry through wholehearted installation along with continuous full technical support, I.C.T commits to accompany customers every step when needed.
Hello everyone. Hi, this is our first time dealing with I.C.T and we have purchased quite a number of equipment from them. And I'm truly impressed by the build quality of the machine. And true enough, they are a service-oriented company, and I'm quite pleased to be working with them.